Can you hear that in the background? It's raining. And the last time I took my car in to have it serviced, they said, get those wipers changed because at the end of the wiper, it's shredded. And what's going to happen next is the rubber's going to fall off and scratch my windshield. So I waited too long because it is raining right now, but I want to give you a really quick little how-to to put these on. I have Costco wiper blades here. I have some for my Subaru, some from my old Mazda truck, and some for my Sienna. Here's the problem. Every car, it's a little different on how these are attached. So I'm going to try and give you a really quick show on how to take care of the ones that are on the J-hook. And this is a J-hook design. Here's a close look at that J-hook, and you can see where it gets its name. Now it's going to look rather simple, but the first thing I want to tell you is before you do anything else, what you want to do is take a towel and take that towel and roll it up and put it right here, because there's a spring right here, and if this gets bumped and you don't have a wiper on here, it's going to come down and crack right there and break your windshield. How do you think I know that? Because I did it. On my very first video, I broke my windshield. On this particular design, I had to end up, it's going to look real simple because I did this off screen, but you pop this little piece of plastic out on this, and usually it seems counterintuitive, but you push down this way to get it to come out. So I push down, and you can see this pops loose, and there is that J-hook we're talking about, and if it gets away from you, it's going to smash down and hit this towel. So now we're going to go ahead and take one of these out, and what confuses a lot of my YouTube viewers is you get a whole host of parts inside here. There's one flying on the floor, and they get really confused. What are they supposed to do with all these parts? And my suggestion to you is just set them aside, because most of them aren't needed, especially on the J-hook design. Now if you take a look at the J-hook, in here I'm looking around and making sure I understand. Okay, I can see there's a piece of plastic that goes this way. Right here, there's a rounded molded piece of plastic, and that J just slips right into that. This way, and I want to take this little keeper off both sides. That keeps the blade from being damaged in the box. And you simply go like this, drop this in the slot, and listen for this click. Come on, snap in there. There it goes, it snapped in, and it's ready to go. That's it. I can go ahead and set this down, and I'm good to go with that blade. Okay, watch this again. There's that rounded piece of molded plastic. I drop this just above it. It just pull on it and it snaps into that slot and it locks in there. And that's all you do. Good luck to you. Be careful when you're doing this. Don't get frustrated if the hardest part is getting the old one off. And you can wrestle with that, twist, get a screwdriver in there, break it loose. Remember, if you break it, you're throwing it away anyway. So you have to bust it, that's okay. And then you'll see that place where the J-hook is. Now, if you have other types of designs that take these other plastic holding devices, then you'll have to read those tiny little instructions and figure it out. Good luck and safe driving. Thank you for watching.